So, Chillio shows up like the productivity app for people whose to-do list has become a crime scene. It promises routines, habits, streaks, XP, coins, and a cute life planner setup that makes chores feel like a mobile game. The App Store calls it the cutest life planning app, with task tracking, habit building, and little progress rewards. Basically, it's trying to make your brain do laundry by bribing it with cartoon motivation. The good news is, the actual iPhone app looks real and popular. Apple lists Chillio Life Planner with a 4.7 rating from about 1,200 ratings, free download, and in app purchases. So, this is not just a random ghost app wearing a productivity hoodie. If you want a simple, cute planner with routines and reward loops, Chillio has the right ingredients to make boring tasks feel slightly less like emotional tax paperwork. But here's where it gets confusing. The website version, get-chillio.app, promotes practical exercises, CBT techniques, bite sized activities, and tools for stress, motivation, and healthy habits. Trustpilot shows Chillio with thousands of reviews and a generally positive 4-star rating, with many users saying the lessons feel simple, validating, and helpful. But some reviews also say they expected a real app and instead felt like they got a mobile website or short course. Reddit is much more suspicious. In ADHD communities, some users complain that Chillio ads felt misleading, especially when they expected a neurodivergent friendly life planner but got daily lessons or CBT style exercises instead.
No! God, please, no! No!
Others asked how to cancel, which is never the comment section you want under a productivity tool. If your app is supposed to reduce overwhelm, the checkout and cancellation process should not feel like a boss battle with fine print. Final verdict: Chillio can be useful if you want cute routines, small wins, and gentle structure. But it is not a magic cure for ADHD, anxiety, or procrastination. The CDC says ADHD is usually managed with treatments like behavior therapy, medication, or a combination depending on the person. So try the free version first, read the subscription terms, and don't let a cute mascot charge your card faster than you complete your first habit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.